Welcome back, everyone. I have some of the best deals next week at Walgreens. We have $1.99 for nice peanuts or trail mix. That's a really good price. We have 88 cents on the Walgreens storage bags. Great price. It's even a little cheaper than the buy one, get two free. $6 to $7 Tresemme, buy two, get five. Again, a good deal, especially if you like Tresemme. 2 for $11 or $5.99 for L'Oreal Paris. Buy two, earn four, and there's a coupon. We have candy deals, buy one, get one free. So check those out if you need any candy. We have $1 off men's own products. Spend 25, get 10, including Everyman Jack. Buy one, get one 50, Aquaphor, Eucerin. Spend 20, get 10. I like this deal. Spend 25, get 10. Buy one, get one 50 on CoverGirl. And then we have $5.49 for the Gain Tide. Earn four when you buy four. Not a bad deal. Buy one, get two free on the Complete Home Twist Tie trash bags. And then 2 for 10 on these coffee products. Not a bad price for coffee. Coffee can be quite expensive, as we know. Let me know what you think of any of these deals. And if you could like, share, and subscribe, that would be great. And thanks for watching. Take care.